Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone and iPad. AirDrop is an incredibly convenient feature for transferring files, photos, and other content between Apple devices. However, it can sometimes run into issues, leaving you unable to share or receive files. But bother not, because in this hands-on video, I have talked about the best fixes. That said, let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to allow everyone to share content with you. AirDrop's visibility settings might be the reason it's not working. Therefore, ensure that your device is set to receive content from everyone. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your device, and then you have to select the General option. And then you have to choose the AirDrop option. And then you have to select everyone for 10 minutes to make your device easily discoverable by anyone. Additionally, enable cellular data to ensure seamless sharing when Wi-Fi is enabled. To do so, you just have to turn on the toggle right next to Use Cellular Data. Then I will recommend you to restart your device. Restarting your device can often resolve temporary glitches. Therefore, it's worth giving a try. For iPhones and iPads with Face ID, you have to press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power slider appears. And then you have to slide to turn it off. And then you have to press and hold the side button, aka the top button or the power button, to restart the device. And for devices with a home button, you have to press and hold the power button, and then you have to slide to turn off your device. And then you have to press and hold the power button to restart your device. Then I will recommend you to update the software on your device. Ensure that your iPhone or iPad is running the latest version of iOS or iPadOS. Note that software updates often include fixes for common issues like AirDrop not working problem. Therefore, go for the latest software update. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your device, and then you have to select the General option. And then you have to select Software Update and download and install the latest version of iOS or iPadOS on your device. Next up, I will recommend you to reset the network settings on your iPhone or iPad. Note that network issues can interfere with AirDrop functionality. Therefore, resetting your network settings can help you resolve the problem. To do so, launch the Settings app on your device and then select General. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Transfer or Reset iPhone or iPad. And then you have to select Reset. After that, you have to select Reset Network Settings and confirm the action. It's worth pointing out that this will erase your Wi-Fi password, so you'll have to reconnect your Wi-Fi networks afterward. And finally, I will recommend you to factory reset your device because it has the knack of fixing AirDrop related problems. To do so, launch the Settings app on your device and then select the General option. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Transfer or Reset iPhone or iPad. Then you have to select the Reset option. Then you have to tap on Reset All Settings and confirm the action by entering your device passcode, and that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix AirDrop not working problem on iPhone and iPad. Hopefully you have gotten a better of the problem, and now the beloved AirDrop has started to work as usual. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone and iPad tips and tricks. Take care. Bye-bye.